Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Jake Castro. Anyway, welcome. Today we are doing a first impression try on tutorial and review for the, what month are we in? May? Yeah, May Boxycharm. So if you don't know what the Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription box where you receive 5 full-size products for the price of $40 here in Canada. In this video, I tell you how much each of the products are individually. I give you a briefing on each of the products. I try them on in front of you. I also do like a quick little tutorial on the products I use. And then I give you a review on each of the products individually. And at the end of the video, I give you a review on the box in a whole. Please don't forget to comment on this video, like this video, and subscribe to my channel because I would greatly appreciate it. If you guys want to see what comes in the box, what I think about the products, how the products look, how the products wear, how much the products are worth, then please continue watching. Here's the Boxycharm. I've already took a peek into it just so I know how far along I should go with my skincare routine. So far, all I have done is exfoliate my face. Just upon opening up the box, obviously the first thing you get is the sheet with this month's theme, and then on the back you have all of the product information and how much they cost individually. So this month's theme is Make Waves. So the first product in the box is the Glamglow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. Gentle but make it bubbly. This daily conditioning gel cleanser gently but effectively cleanses skin and dissolves makeup. Oat amino acids condition well. The vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E, and green tea extract bubbles up to deep clean and remove impurities. Soap, fragrance, and SLS free. All skin types approved, and this on its own retails for $28. Obviously, we're going to test it out. We're going to start by putting a headband on my hair so I can move all of my hair back. I just have a bowl with water right in front of me. This is how I'm going to do it. So you're supposed to dampen your face first. I wet the face, and next you're supposed to apply this to the face and massage it in circular motions. Just going to rinse this off, and I'll be right back with my review. I'm back and I have finished my skincare routine, and I have also applied most of my face. I just want to give you a quick review on the Glamglow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. For using it one time, because this is something you kind of have to keep on using to determine whether or not it's like working. It's good. I like the way it felt on my skin. It wasn't usually when I wash my face and I dry it, it feels very tight and dry, but it felt really nice. Whether or not it can remove makeup, I didn't get to test that out, but hopefully it does, because I hate using cleansers that say it can remove makeup and then you start removing your makeup and there's like leftover makeup on your face. But so hopefully that doesn't do that. I haven't tested that part out yet, but it's something I would obviously want to test out. I mean, yeah, I really did like this. Next, we received these 2 brushes, and these are the Bodyography brush duo. The Bodyography brush duo is the perfect brush set for lining and creating detailed eyeshadow looks. Use the angled brush liner for precise lining across the lid and brows. Use a flat shader brush for precise and detailed applications for shadows. And these on its own retail for $17. I'm actually going to create a very simple look. I'm going to jump into the Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to go into KK using the flat shader brush, and I'm actually going to apply this to the inner corner of the eye. And I'm just going to blend that out a little bit. Once it's blended out, I'm just going to apply a little bit more. And with the Bodyography angled liner brush, I'm just going to go into the Inglot Gel Liner in shade 77. Just a quick review on the brushes. I love them. I have no issues with these brushes whatsoever. So the flat shader brush, they made it very easy for packing on the pink in the inner corner of my eye. It was really easy to use. And then the flat liner brush, I'm going to say I'm super impressed with it. Usually, I rarely ever use flat liner brushes to create my wing liner. They never turn out well. They're always too thick. And honestly, like, this did a very, very good job applying the liner. I love it. So staying on the eyes, we also received the Ciate London Eye Lustre Cream Eyeshadow in Cupid. Your new Ciate London's Eye Lustre will help you create long-lasting shimmering eyeshadow looks. The metallic glittering liquid shadow can be swiped on for full coverage luster, blended out for sheer sparkle, or applied over an eyeshadow as a topper. And this on its own retails for $22. Because I'm doing more of a simpler look, I'm going to use this on top of the pink as an inner corner highlight, so I will be blending it out. I'm actually just going to swatch this for you really quickly. Give it a few seconds to dry before I start trying to move it around. Okay, so my review on the Ciate London Cream Eyeshadow, I found it a little hard to work with. So first I applied it, and then I didn't wait for it to dry, and I tried blending it out, and then it kind of wiped away the pink that I had applied before. But then I applied it a second time, and I waited for it to dry, and then I kind of dabbed it. And hoped that it wouldn't wipe away the pink, and it still sort of did. So then the third time, I actually just used my Morphe M168 brush to apply the product directly to the pink, and I just dabbed it, and honestly I found that a lot easier than applying it with the applicator and then trying to blend it out. So I just used the brush and dabbed it very lightly, which gave me more of a blended out look. Not that I don't like the product, honestly the color is absolutely beautiful. You just gotta practice with it, but this is stunning and I love the color, and I mean I love the shade that I got. I'm just going to finish the other eye off of camera, apply some mascara and some lashes, and I will be right back. Moving on, we are going to use the Alamar Cosmetics Colorete Blush Trio. Get your blush on with your new Alamar Cosmetics Colorete Blush Trio. Formulated to glide effortlessly over your cheeks, this buttery smooth, highly pigmented, and completely vegan formula delivers a sun-kissed flush without the damage of the rays. And this on its own retails for $22. Which one do I want to use? They're all so pretty. I'm just gonna go for the middle shade. Absolutely love the shade I used. It's subtle, it's cute. There's a little bit of a sheen to it, so it looks really nice on the skin. I kind of want to drown myself in it because I can't stop applying. Honestly, it's so pretty. And I'm actually really excited to try the other shades as well. I love this blush trio. It's beautiful. I'm just gonna hop off of camera to do some highlighting and I will be right back. I'm back and I have highlighted the hell out of my face. So next is our lips, and this is the absolute last product that I will be using. I received this Laurant lip gloss in Posh. 1 part balm and 3 parts silk. The Laurant gloss is never leaving your favorite purse. Formulated with a creamy lip softening texture, this one-of-a-kind hybrid gel and oil will moisturize and hydrate your lips with just one swipe. And this retails for $22 on its own. So let's give you a swipe of it on my arm, and doing this will determine whether or not I should wear it on top of a lipstick. Okay, so that's actually really good payoff for a lip gloss. So I'm just gonna use it on its own and not on top of a lipstick or liquid lipstick. So this is the lip gloss, and honestly, this is absolutely beautiful. I am like, this lip gloss is highly pigmented, so you don't need to use a lipstick underneath it. This will give you the color payoff and the shine payoff. Like, I honestly want to use this in all the time in every look I create because it is actually so beautiful. So that's actually all of the products that I used. I'm going to set the face and get rid of this headband, fix my hair underneath this, and I'll be right back. I'm back and I have set my face, and I also fixed the disaster of the hair that was underneath that headband. The thing with wearing headbands like that is that my hair gets pushed back and it's so thin that it stays. So all my hair is just kind of right on top of my head. So I had to fix that before I came back on camera. Before I say goodbye, I just want to give you a review on the Boxycharm in whole. So I have already done the reviews for the products individually, so I just want to give you a review for the whole box. I did the math, and the total for all the products combined was $111. And I just want to remind you that I spent $40 on the box, and I get 5 full-size products worth over $100. So that's not bad. This month, I did not dislike any of the products. I actually liked every single product, which is pretty awesome because that doesn't happen all the time. It's actually happened maybe 2 or 3 times in a row, so I'm kind of loving the box right now. But to me, I think that the Boxycharm is completely worth it because, like I said, I'm paying $40 and I'm getting $100. So it's not bad at all. Yeah, so that basically completes my Boxycharm unboxing, try on, first impression, and review. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to comment on this video, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. And I haven't said this before, but let me know what you want to see. So in the comments down below, let me know what kind of videos you would like for me to do. Yeah, I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. I'm gonna jump into the and with the body in Cupid, yeah. One of a kind hybrid gel and oil.